We're now in the Huangpu River with my friend, Friendly, Stupid, and our tour guide, Jenny. Yes. And we will be starting our Huangpu River cruise. Huangpu River is the main river of Shanghai. Yes, it's a lifeline of Shanghai. You can see the background, this is the new district of Pudong. Yeah. There. And this is the old Shanghai. Yeah. We will now be starting our tour of Huangpu River. It's about 1 hour. Yeah. There. See? It's about 6:40 in the evening. There, we're now starting. These are other boats in the river cruise. Yes. There. So, this is the first part of our Huangpu River cruise. There. So Shanghai is beautiful at night. That's why we took this Huangpu River cruise. And more to come later when it's dark, okay? So I have to see you, of course, because I want to be shooting the video, much like MD. Again, in the Huangpu River, signing out.